Hello, I'm Ichtunich, and in this screencast I will show you how to insert a picture into a Wikipedia article. I'm already logged in, and I chose the article about Dus Steiner, who is a German chef. I press the edit button, and the edit window will open. I click into the edit window somewhere in the text where I want to insert the picture, and I choose Insert in the Edit toolbar. There's a drop-down menu where I choose Images and Media. Automatically, there will be some suggestions with images or pictures that match the article text. And in this case, there's a picture of the Sulzburg Kirchen restaurant where Dus Steiner is working. So I think this is quite appropriate, and I will choose that picture to insert it into the article. I click on Use this image. Now I'm asked to add a caption. So I write Kirchen restaurant in Sulzburg. And it is always recommendable to put the same text in the alternative text box. So in case the picture can't be displayed, the user will still know what is on the picture. I can see what the picture would look like in the article. That seems okay. And I press Publish Changes, Show Description, Add Picture. Again, Publish Changes. And there we are.